Greetings to you all and welcome back to this channel just like always. So guys, on today's video we are going to have an overview of the Solution Fund City Arena together with dignitaries from the Netherlands Consulate to Nigeria alongside the Commissioner for Environment Anambra State, talking about Engineer Felix Odumegu. Alongside also we have the Asrama boss and other government officials from the Ministry of Environment. And frankly, there was an extensive discussion with the Netherlands Consulate regarding Anambra State's environmental sustainability. Also, for all of those who always complain about our roads, about our environment, about the sands and all of that, I must tell you the truth, there is something cooking behind the scene that you need to hear and know about. So make sure you stick to this channel just in case you are new here. This is BlessingGodwinTV and we bring you live updates of situations around and within Anambra State. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Subscribe just in case you have not subscribed already, just as we take an overview of the Solution Fund City Arena in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. This is one of the legacy projects of the Soludo's administration. Let's also have a few words from the Commissioner of Environment, Anambra State, Nigeria.
Now we've created a situation whereby people from outside can now come. You understand?
And when will it open?
Yes, before the end of the year, the next couple of months. Don't feel bad about it. The next time you come, you'll be staying in a 5-star classic hotel. You know, the governor is very deliberate, very intentional in thinking about this information, and the state has never had this scope before. You know, awarded roads close to about 750 kilometers of road, and has asphalted 450 something,
60 something, 62.
462 asphalted for 3 years. It's never been done in this state.
Like 462 kilometers of new road.
Yes, asphalted. Yes,
And no dime collected as long.
Connecting?
I hit that.
yeah. All the nooks and corners of the state. You know, in some states,
Yeah.
you see majority of the work being done in the state capital. But this governor is transforming 4 urban
Simultaneously.
areas simultaneously. You have this Awka, you have Onitsha, you have Nnewi, you have Igbode. Simultaneously. And then they are linking the roads everywhere. It's not like, okay, you go to Enugu, you only see the capital city. When you go to the village, you don't see road. But right here in Anambra, you're seeing road connecting all the towns. You can fly from here to the end of here and come back. No stress.
And that also affects our waste management. Because here, most of the states, you have just 1 or 2 towns. But here we have almost like 7 towns that are urban areas.
Yes.
So the volume is enormous. The pressure on us is enormous. So that's why we need